I walk you through zero budget creator stack, ChatGPT plus 6 power tools, CapCut for fast mobile editing, Claude for long form strategy and code, Leonardo AI for thumbnails, ElevenLabs for voice cloning, DaVinci Resolve for pro editing, and Canva's Bulk Create for batch graphics. Picture Rexon, a cybernetic warrior, editing thumbnails with a glowing sword as a visual metaphor for speed and precision. Start by using AI to scan trends and audience keywords, then map a content calendar that feeds platforms consistently. Turn blank pages into outlines. Prompt ChatGPT for hooks, Claude for structure, and Leonardo for thumbnail drafts. Record, clone narration with ElevenLabs, Rough Cut and CapCut, polish in DaVinci, then export branded assets from Canva. Use AI grammar and readability tools to refine captions and scripts. Systemize publishing. Schedule posts, automate descriptions, and track analytics. For video structure, try bold hook, mid-roll value promise cat, pattern interrupt comparison table, clear CTA to your coaching or product. This workflow prints views, saves time, and scales creator income.